Hi guys, welcome back to the Bong toy review. Today we're going to be unboxing and reviewing the DIY lip gloss kit. Let's get started. I'm so excited. So here's what it comes with. It comes with lip gloss base. It comes with olive oil. It comes with coloring. It has black, red, I think it's red, orange, like burgundy. They come with these lip gloss containers. It comes with this one, this one, this one, this one. They are so cute. Mermaid tail. And this one. And this one. This is all the things you need to make a basic lip gloss. And as you notice, I got a bag because it didn't come with a bag to mix it in. Okay, let's get started. But as you can see, inside of this, there's a stopper. There's a stopper right inside. I don't know if you can see that. There's a stopper to make sure, like every time you dip it in, you won't get a whole blob of lip gloss. Just get a soft dip of lip gloss. Okay, guys. So, gotta get your bag. And then, open it up. Open this up. We got a lot of opening going on in our world here. Oh, it's shiny. And then open it. A little tab. We keep making lip gloss. Now that we added our base, we're gonna put 2 drops of olive oil in here. Oh, this could be a little messy, guys. First, we have to open up the vitamin E. So now we have to mix it. 1, 2, 3. You can barely see the lip gloss in there. So you gotta get it in one corner. Gonna do it this way. Doesn't matter which way you do it. As long as you get it in the corner, you're good. You're golden. If you're wearing a golden outfit, that's now number 2. Oh yeah, don't forget to close the bag so I won't squirt all over your house. And then boom, it's lip gloss city. Okay, we have finally cut it. Oh, the lip gloss is coming. Hi guys, I'm back. So, the bag was messier than messy. So we had to clean up a little bit, as you know. But the box didn't come with that. But I think it should have because it's not as messy. And you won't get lip gloss all over the place. And then it'll look like clear. The finishing product is to put the lip gloss in your thing, the stopper, and then, woo! And then if you open it up, so cool. Ooh, it just stuff. This is a bing for me. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.